What's up, guys? In today's video, I want to talk about everything that I got for starting my freshman year this fall. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys didn't know, I'm going to Loyola University of Chicago and I'm going to be studying nursing, which I'm really excited for. Everything's been really weird because of the whole pandemic situation, so things are a lot different for going back to school this year. I can't have a roommate in my dorm. They had to kick off basically all of the upperclassmen to make room for freshmen and some sophomores. Because of that new policy, I got a freaking one-bedroom apartment for my freshman dorm. It was supposed to be an upperclassman dorm. They had to make room for the freshmen. There's a bunch of other weird policies. Everyone has to wear a mask on campus. There aren't any in-person classes for all the freshmen. The entire freshman class is taking completely online classes. Even the labs for nursing are going to be online. But basically, I have an entire one-bedroom apartment all to myself this year. So I had to figure out what to go get to fill up my dorm room, things that I need. After some advice from some upperclassmen and my sister who is in college, this is the list that I compiled and the things that I got for my freshman year. The first category is college dorm room essentials. It would be really depressing to get to your dorm and realize that you didn't have any bed sheets or blankets or a comforter or a pillow or anything. So make sure you bring those. First and foremost, you're gonna want a toothbrush. And if you wanna brush your teeth, you gotta have toothpaste. You're gonna need soap, shampoo, paper towels. If you have a bathroom in your dorm, you're going to need toilet paper, tissues for when you fail your first semester exams. You're gonna want towels for when you finish showering. And lastly, for essentials, you're gonna need face masks. Wear a face mask. It's gonna save someone's life. Next up is laundry and cleaning. I mean, I don't even know if I have to say this, but bring detergent. You're gonna need to wash your clothes. Don't forget stain remover because stains. Some hand sanitizer because corona. And some spray cleaner because you need to wipe down your shit. If you have a kitchen in your apartment/dorm, you're gonna need some of these things. I'm bringing plates, bowls, a pan, a spatula for making some good old eggs, a stirry thing, food storage containers, a sponge so you can wash all your stuff, some silverware so you can eat your food. I'm not planning on eating from the cafeteria 3 meals a day, 7 days a week, so I'm gonna be using the kitchen that I have in my apartment. You're gonna need some clothes, so bring some clothes. I'm gonna be in Chicago. It's gonna get really cold in the winters, so I'm bringing 2 hats, a pair of gloves, some snow boots, and some hangers to hang up my clothes. Other than those things, you're probably gonna want some cool dorm stuff. I'm bringing some posters and flags like this Loyola Ramblers flag. You're gonna want a calendar. You're gonna wanna put different events and dates on your calendar. So don't forget to do stuff. I'm bringing a clothes hamper because I don't want dirty clothes just sitting on my floor. Wash your clothes. So that's basically everything that I'm bringing to Loyola University of Chicago this fall. Loyola's been kind of frustrating about this whole thing. This summer they've sent a ton of emails about things that they're switching up. They say that they're gonna do one thing and then the next email says that they're doing something else. If you're going to Loyola this fall, then let me know what you guys think about everything going on and if you're frustrated or not, because I know that I am. I'll probably do some more Loyola University based content later. I know that when I was looking at Loyola, I found some of these videos really helpful, so I think in the future I'm gonna make some more Loyola University based videos. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, let me know. I don't know if you like it, if you don't like it, you know what I mean? Also, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe. Other than that, have a fantastic day.